It's the time of the year to raise sounds of praise unto the Lord. It's Praise the Lord with Godly Songs 2026 theme King of Glory. Ministering Pastor Leke Olulano, APICP Admin Province 100, Pastor Femi Aminu, Region 59 Youth Pastor, Deacon Emmanuel Adebayo, Regional Youth Music Director, Sami King, and other anointed men of God. Date Sunday, April 26, 2026. Time 2 p.m. Red carpet. 3 p.m. Concert begins. Venue RCCG New Season Pavilion, Kilometer 32, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Arepo, Ogun State. Come as we raise sounds of praise unto our King.